Okay, interesting day. This guy. Firstly, they said, oh, Kyprios. I'm not Cypriot, they said I'm Cypriot. But, as always with newspapers, there's something they get wrong. Page 6, let's see what they wrote up. Here we go. This guy. Looking like he's smart. Ridiculous. Ένας νεαρός επιχειρηματίας του διαδικτυακό. A young entrepreneur, a young internet entrepreneur. Cool.
This is my first day back in Barcelona. I'm going to live here for 6 months, and I haven't lived in one country for 6 months since I was 19 years old. So let's see how this goes.
Well, I'm running a half marathon, he's running 10k. And we came to this little town called Casa Domar for 2 nights. 2 nights. I brought a little bag, look at this fucking guy. He brought the biggest backpack known to man. This guy.
Brought Australia with me.
2 backpacks. Alrighty, it is Sunday morning, the 21st of who cares, and the half marathon is happening. This civilian is joining in on the festivities, and once again we've gone to a little small random town in the middle of nowhere to commit these crimes against our knees. And Achilles doing the 10k, I'm doing the half marathon, and we are prepared. We've got our neon coloured shirt, and luckily the weather is terrible and it's cold. And once again, I'm surprised because I didn't do enough research on the race by the trail, and it's actually going to be quite hilly and mountainous. So we're gonna see. We're gonna find out. And the cutoff time is actually much shorter than I expected. So we're gonna try and finish within the allotted time, let alone trying to get a good time. So we will see how. Marathon done. Not a PB, but I'll take it. I did know, but the mountains were much worse than I expected. But still, I got a decent time. I think it was like 2:10, 2:15. Which is still good. My PB is 2 hours. But that was on a fully flat course, so I am satisfied. For a hilly mountains course, 2:15 is not too bad. Didn't stop too many times. And that's that, dog. Now we get to chill. Have a day or two in this little town north of Barcelona. And then we're back to work, back to the grind. I think I'm going to do an ocean swim next, maybe in a month or something, for the next challenge. So that's that. And I am out.